This part is exactly like the screw handle part, with different sizes. Start a new part using the standard part template. Create a sketch on the XZ plane. Be sure to reorient the view cube before you start sketching. Create a circle on the center point and add the diameter dimension. Extrude the sketch using the symmetry option and extents set to a distance of 0.75. Start a new sketch on the XY plane. Change the visibility style to wireframe. Project the top and bottom edges into your sketch as construction lines. Add a center construction line attached to the midpoints. Sketch an arc attached to the end point of the center line. Use the coincident constraint to constrain the center point to the center line. Add the crown radius. Revolve cut the outside of the arc about the center line. Mirror the crown to the other end about the XZ plane.